Hi there, today I want to quickly explain about ransomware, what it is, how it works, and how you can protect yourself from it. What is ransomware? Ransomware is a type of malicious software that locks you out of your files or even your entire computer. It's like a digital hostage situation. The attacker demands money, usually in cryptocurrency, before they give you access back. If you don't pay, they might threaten to delete your file or even leak them online. How does ransomware works? First, it starts with a trap you might click on a suspicious email link, download fake attachment or visit an infected website. Second, once the ransomware gets into your device, it encrypts your files, turning them into unreadable code. Third, finally you get a ransom note demanding payment, often with a timer to make you panic and act fast. Some ransomware is even more dangerous. It can spread across networks, infecting other computers or devices, especially in businesses. How can you prevent ransomware? First, think before you click. Don't open attachments or links from unknown senders. If something feels suspicious, delete it. Second, keep your software up to date. Update fixed security flaws that ransomware can exploit. Third, back up your files, use an external drive or secure cloud storage. If ransomware strikes, you can restore your files without paying. Fourth, use antivirus software. It can detect and block ransomware before it causes damage. Ransomware can sound scary, but staying cautious and prepared makes all the difference. Remember, think before you click, stay updated, and always back up your data. Thanks for listening and stay safe out there.